Hey, I'm so excited that you're here today. Today is all about business organization. We have hundreds of files that are pictures, documents, videos, and everything else. And the question is, where on earth should we store them and organize them? When I first started my online business, it was supposed to just be an ebook. So there weren't that many files, just a PDF, a graphic, and that was pretty much it. But as the months went on, I built an e-course. That means 30 videos, 100 photos, multiple Word docs, you get the drift. As my business grew, my files literally exploded. Before I knew it, my hard drive was full. Now, another thing that you should know about me is that I have a very overly prepared dad who works in television. I grew up editing, cutting up storyboards, and organizing scripts. So, talk about organization. He taught me to keep my paperwork in order and to always store important files in multiple locations. That's why I wanted to talk to you about this. Over the past 2 years, I think I've found an incredibly successful system, and I want you to feel just as empowered as I do. Step 1, what are the aspects of your business? It's really important to build your business organization around your business structure. I remember trying to base my folders after someone I watched on YouTube, but it was a disaster. I never knew where anything was. So sit down with a pen and paper and figure out exactly what kind of folders you need to represent your business. Here's some inspiration. Some of my folders are legal, financial, promotion, which inside of those are my blogs, podcasts, Facebook group and stuff, products, which inside of that are my courses, mastermind and classes, brand, which has my photos and videos, publicity, and team. Those are just a few ideas to get you started. But what I want is for you to take away from this exercise feeling 100% comfortable and confident in how you've structured your files so that you can find things easily. It's made such a difference for me, and I can't wait for you to do this as well. Step 2, always store in 2 locations. This is the prepper in me, but I'm so glad I'm obsessive in this way. I can't tell you how many fellow entrepreneurs I've met with who have had everything go up in a puff of smoke. Whether it's their hard drives, website, or email, things happen. A computer crashes, a server goes down, an alligator needs to be wrestled, it happens. So all that we can do is be prepared the most that we can. For me, that means always storing vital items in 2 locations. Let me explain. First, I'm gonna blow your mind with an absolutely incredible software that has changed the game for me, Gsuite. Nope, not Google Drive, Gsuite. Here's the difference. Google Drive is available to everyone, similar to Dropbox where, yes, you can store files, and yes, your price will increase as your materials stored do. Gsuite is available only to businesses engineered to be an online suite for your business needs. After signing up with your unique URL for your website, it's the hub where you can access Gmail, Docs, spreadsheets, Drive, you get the picture. And all for a flat rate per month per user, meaning the number of staff that you have on your team. Are you hearing what I'm saying here? You can get all of your files online with Gsuite without paying an arm and a leg. I personally pay $9.99 a month and have more video files up there than I can even describe. Probably about 2 terabytes full, which is a lot. So get Gsuite. But what about the other storage option? Remember I said to back things up in 2 locations? The second location I recommend is an external hard drive. I recommend 4 terabytes personally, which is about $100 to $150. You need to have all your files available on a private hard drive in case online servers crash. This could never happen with Google, right? No, it absolutely can. Just like Macs were the unhackable, no viruses allowed system, they eventually got hacked. So did Yahoo, AOL, and yes, Gmail. Our go-to line of this video, it happens. So by having all of your work backed up onto an external hard drive, you're protected. And we always want to be better safe than sorry. Trust me, the peace of mind this brings alone is completely worth it. As I was writing out the script for this video, I was at my local coffee shop using Gsuite through Wi-Fi, and it rocked. And I know this Friday, which is my housekeeping day, I'll be backing up this week's work onto my hard drive and I'll sleep peacefully. Your files need to be organized to keep your thinking process clear and focused. And your files need double insurance so you can feel peace of mind. Did you love the tips in this video? I would love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments below, and you're going to love my upcoming Systems Summit. So check that out via the link below. Sign up, and I will see you at the Visibility Summit Systems Mastery.